My name's Lewis Stewart and I'm from Hargraff Garden Services. Yeah, having the Pellenc gear for a year now, it's met our expectations and it's gone even further than that. It's been so good that it's certainly the way that we work in our business is I'm the one that sort of looks after the equipment and sources it all, and my other brothers just want the equipment to work basically so they could get the job done. And I've noticed switching to Pellenc from other manufacturers that we've had over the years that I've not had to do much. You know, it's been great. It's just occasional of cleaning everything out, greasing the heads, you know, make sure the blades are okay, and it's met all the expectations in the fact that I don't need to. It's sort of made my life a bit easier as well. I know the gear's going to work all the time. The reliability in it's been fantastic, which I was surprised at considering, you know, the experience I've had with other manufacturers. I've tried the various different brands and they've just, you know, there's little niggly things that I thought might happen with this equipment when it hasn't, which has been fantastic. So it's one of those, it's less headaches. It means you can carry on focusing on the work ahead. You know, and you don't need to worry about downtime. I've not got that machine working because I'm waiting on a part. You know, it's met the expectation. It's blown out of the water. So it's been well worth the investment, I think, and my brothers have said that as well, that they really enjoy using it. It's so user friendly, so it's good when you get feedback from that. You know, it's just been exactly what we wanted, I think. So can't complain in that regard.